Ivy here. Today, we're diving into how you can use AI to create a simple plan for a successful gardening project. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned gardener, AI can be your new best friend in the garden. Imagine stepping into your backyard and having a lush, thriving garden that almost takes care of itself. AI can help you design your garden layout by analyzing the space you have and suggesting the best plant arrangements. It considers factors like sunlight, soil type, and even the local climate to recommend the perfect plants for your garden. This means you can avoid the trial and error of planting the wrong species in the wrong spot. But that's not all. AI tools can also monitor your plant's health. They use sensors and cameras to detect early signs of stress or disease in your plants. This means you can take action before a small problem becomes a big one. It's like having a personal plant doctor right in your backyard. Plus, AI can help you keep track of watering schedules and fertilization needs, ensuring your plants get exactly what they need when they need it. For example, some AI apps allow you to take a photo of your plant and instantly get feedback on its health. They can tell you if your plant is getting too much or too little sunlight, if it needs more water, or if it's time to add some nutrients to the soil. This kind of technology makes gardening more accessible and less intimidating, especially for beginners. And for those who love to experiment, AI can even suggest new plant varieties to try based on your past successes and failures. It can help you expand your garden with confidence, knowing that you're making informed choices. So, whether you're looking to start a small herb garden on your balcony or transform your backyard into a floral paradise, AI can guide you every step of the way. Embrace the technology and watch your garden flourish. Tomorrow, we'll explore how AI can enhance your photography skills, so stay tuned for that exciting topic. Until then, happy gardening!